Hello, and welcome to another edition of the Wonkerstein Show. Today we have the cast from The Mysterious Ticking Noise. Let's start with Mr. Voldemort. Mr. Voldemort, what is your goal in life?
Take over the world, kill Harry Potter, I know, get a kitten and name him Mr. Whiskerface.
Awkward. Moving on. Let's try you, Albus. How long have you been headmaster at Hogwarts? Dumbledore! Not your name, Albus. Let's ask Ron a question. Do you have a favorite wizard swear?
I like dragon bogies, jiggery pokery, and broomhead the best.
Thank you, Ron. Let's see what Snape has to say. Dumbledore! I said Snape. So what do some of your potions include, Professor?
Wizard's liquids, enchanted juice, and expired gorilla milk.
You can also teach at a school without babes.
Thanks. Let's ask Hermione a question. I
want to go. My turn.
Hermione, why do you hang out with these guys?
I have nothing better to do.
Harry, it's your turn.
Yay!
What is the function of a rubber duck?
What kind of a retard question is that?
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Join us next week when my guest will be C-3PO. Dumbledore!